Unlock the power of first impressions by mastering your Webflow featured thumbnails a circumflex euros, the gatekeepers to your content success. Let's dive straight into your Webflow project, where we'll transform how your content is presented. The first step is identifying where your featured images are managed, typically within your CMS collection or a specific page element. Navigate to your CMS collection settings, or if you're working on a static page, locate the image element designated for your thumbnail. This is where the magic begins for CMS collections. This is often a featured image field you'll have set up. Now, let's focus on selecting the perfect image. Click on your featured image element in the right-hand panel. You'll see the source options. This dictates where your image comes from for CMS items. You'll select the dynamic field that holds your featured image. If you're adding a new image, you can either upload it directly from your computer or select one from your Webflow Asset Manager. Aim for high-quality, relevant images that clearly represent your content's topic. Think about what would catch your eye as you scroll. Crucially, optimize your image for the web look. For the image optimization section, Webflow automatically handles a lot of this. But pay attention to dimensions a circumflex euros. Ensure it's not excessively large. Choosing the right format, like JPG for photos or PNG for graphics with transparency, can further improve load times. Don't forget the alt text. This is vital for accessibility and SEO. Describe your image accurately and concisely. This helps search engines understand your content and makes it accessible to users with screen readers. Next, consider the presentation within the styling panel for your image element. You might have options to control the aspect ratio or crop the image. Ensure your chosen thumbnail looks consistent across your site and fits nicely within the layout without distortion. For elements like cards in a blog or product listing, the featured image is usually tied to the individual item. You'll find this setting within the individual card settings, and it's linked to your CMS data, pulling the specific featured image for that item. Finally, always preview your work. Switch to preview mode and check how your thumbnails look on different devices. A great thumbnail is clear, engaging, and makes users want to click. You've now successfully set and optimized your featured thumbnails in Webflow, ready to boost your content's visibility.